Hello viewers, this is Rajiv Bhomik and you are watching my channel Make Things Easy. In this video, I am going to tell you about Go No-Go gauges. So watch this video till the end. First, let us understand why Go No-Go gauges are required. Whenever very fast mass production is happening and not possible to check each and every pieces by measuring instruments, in those situations, Go No-Go gauges are used for sorting the accepted and rejected pieces. By gauges, we do not get any measurement or actual value of the object. We only come to know whether it is accepted or rejected. I will explain you all the gauges one by one. First is Go No-Go plug gauge. There are two types of plug gauges. First is double-ended type, second is progressive type. Go side dimension is same as minimum range of the hole to be checked, and no go side dimension is same as maximum range of that hole. Go side is comparatively longer than no go side. Now let us understand with an example. Suppose one operator, he has made three pieces A, B and C. Now, after checking, we found go no go both are entering in A piece, and in B piece go is entering but no go not entering, and in C piece go no go both are entering. So in these three cases, A is rejected, B is accepted and C is also rejected. Go no-go plain ring gauges. These ring gauges are used for outer diameter checking, roundness checking, and ovality checking. Go no-go snap gauges. There are three types of snap gauges: double-ended type, progressive type, and adjustable type. These snap gauges are used for thickness checking and diameter checking. These both the gauges, that means plain ring gauges and snap gauges, go side dimension is same as maximum range of the object to be checked, and no go side dimension is same as minimum range of the object. Go no go thread ring gauge. These gauges are used for external thread checking. Then go no go thread plug gauge or screw gauges. These gauges are used for internal thread checking. Radius and fillet gauge. The function of these gauges is to check the radius of curvature of convex and concave surfaces over a range from 1 millimeter to 25 millimeter. In the picture, you can see outer radius checking and here inner radius checking. Filler gauge. Filler gauges are used for checking clearances between matching surfaces. Each blade has an indication of its thickness. In the picture, you can see how gap is being checked by filler gauge in a spark plug. Thread pitch gauge or screw pitch gauge. These gauges are used in picking out a required screw and for checking the pitch of the screw threads. In the picture, you can see how pitch of the screw is being checked. Now I'll tell you about position gauge or special type gauge. Suppose this is one job and this is the gauge, go no go gauge. Now this portion is the reference surface, this line, and this line, the location of surface to be checked. Now let us see another example. So this is one jog, the black one, and the blue one is the go no go gauge. Now this portion is the reference surface, this line, and this line, location of recess to be checked. So these are mainly special type customized gauges suitable to check specific jobs. While selecting material of gauges, some points are to be considered. Let us see what are those points. Hardness. Hardness to resist wear, corrosion resistance, machinability, no effect of temperature, that means low coefficient of linear expansion to avoid effect of temperature. Longer life, that means stability to ensure that size and shape will not change over a period of time. Adequate materials, that means materials which are used for making gauges are high carbon alloy steels and cemented carbides. Let us understand what are the advantages of gauges. Faster checking regarding whether product is within its specified limit or not can be done. Less dependence on operator skill, and hence results are not getting affected by operator judgment. More than one dimension of product can be checked at a time. Gauges are economical than measuring instruments. Now let us understand what are the limitations of gauges. Exact value of product dimension cannot be known. Accuracy of gauges is getting affected due to wear and tear with a period of time. It is useful only for similar product because it is difficult to manufacture and maintain large size gauges.
So viewers, I hope you have liked this video. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, like this video, share this video, and if you want to comment something, please leave your comment in the comment section. Thank you once again for watching this video.